Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today and I hope you enjoy my video. Today I'm going to show you how I made a couple of shaker flower embellishments. I used my scan and cut to cut 4 hollow flowers out and 1 solid flower. I'm going to layer the hollow flowers on top of each other to create the little wells for the mini prills to go into that are going to be the filling for my shaker. If I had have used my common sense before I cut these out, I would have put these onto some sticky paper so that I was actually cutting them out as stickers. What I ended up doing was using glue to attach all the layers on top of each other, and I can tell you that was a mess. These flowers are not symmetric, so it's hard to line them up at some stages, and you have to make sure that you've got all of your flowers going in the right direction. You've got them over the right way, they're not upside down. So if I had have used the jack paper on the back of the white cardstock that I originally cut the flowers out of, it would have made my job a lot easier. I did cut out a pink one as well to put on top of the flower, on top of the acetate, but it was just so hard to get that lined up with the glue all over the acetate. I just gave up and took that off. I used the Aleen's original tacky glue to attach all of my layers on top of each other, and I had previously, as you can see there, there's an acetate flower that I had cut out. Now when I went to stick that on, that was just ridiculous really. I didn't line it up. I put the glue on the flower, and of course then when I was trying to put my acetate on and line it up with all the ridges, it just covered the acetate with glue and made a horrible mess. So I ended up discarding that flower. I did stick the acetate onto it, and then I stuck the pink layer on top of that, but it was so messy I didn't like it, and I started again. So I went through the same procedure, and by this stage I still hadn't thought to use the sticky back paper, so once again I did the whole thing again with glue, but this time instead of cutting my acetate out first, I just stuck the acetate on top of the flower, set it aside to dry, and when it was dry I then cut the shape in the acetate. So that part worked out much better. To fill my shaker I'm going to use these bright pink mini Prills. They're a little seed bead, I guess you'd say, very tiny, and I'm going to use a little scoop to fill them up, and then I'm going to attach the white backing to it with glue. Put some glue onto each of those little dividers on the petals and attach that firmly in place so that the little mini Prills can't get out. Well, I hope I end up making 2 flowers, and yes, I don't know whether I'll use them or not, but I think there's something in there that I could improve upon, and I probably will do it again, but I will probably try a different pattern. Anyway, you could also do this with any of those dies that you have that cut out a flower that is hollow in the middle, or any shape really. So yeah, these could be used on cards or your scrapbooking page, whatever. That was my idea anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It's a bit of, really, it's just a what not to do if you're going to make a shaker embellishment really. So if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel if you don't already. I have lots of different videos that you might like to watch, and yes, thanks for being here with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.